is no final. To answer your question, I'll once again tell you a story. And when me and Jen met, we had an age gap of 8 years. She was still in grade 11 in high school and 17 years old. And me, I was already 25. And I started a couple of businesses and bought some properties. And through that, I've learned a couple of life lessons that I could apply by then. We were in bodybuilding, and Jen did very well. She did a bunch of shows and dominated in the province. Because she was still in high school, exams and essays fell on the same time at the end of the year. And she had to go to a principal and ask her if she could help her move one or two dates